Hi everyone, my name is Mandy Nash, author of the food and wine book, Merlot and Brussels Sprouts, and today I'm going to show you two really easy appetizers that are perfect for the holiday season. So I have a white bean dip here that is really easy to make in the food processor, and you can serve that with either crackers or crostini, or even vegetables. And I have some sliced French bread here to make a goat cheese bruschetta. So if you have honeyed goat cheese available at your supermarket, I say go ahead and get that, but if not, plain goat cheese works fine. You just spread that on even non-toasted bread and put on a little bit of peaches. And I realize that peaches are kind of a seasonal fruit. To get fresh peaches, it would have to be kind of like summer season, but canned peaches work just as well. And then I sprinkle on a little bit of fresh basil, and that is literally it. You put it on a beautiful white platter and you've got a super easy appetizer. So next is wine. What would you pair with, either one of these? And I have two wines out here. I have this A to Z Oregon Pinot Gris, which is very bright, crisp, and refreshing, which would pair really well with ingredients that go into the white bean dip, like lemon juice and parsley. So another really great wine to pair with both of these appetizers is a dry rosé. So dry rosé, as in pink wine, is very bright, acidic, and served chilled. Pairs really, really well with creamy cheeses and bright acidic foods like the lemon and the parsley and the peaches. So what do both of these recipes have in common, other than the fact that they're simple and scrumptious, is that they are plant-based, which is why I feature them in my book, Merlot and Brussels Sprouts, which is a guide to plant-based food and wine pairing. Cheers.